This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming model and firmware so you apply the right procedure. Once done, charge to over 50% and connect to Wi-Fi or pair with your phone. This prevents interruptions. Make sure to back up current settings and enable any diagnostic or developer mode the manufacturer provides. You do this because restoring or reconfiguring requires stable power and connectivity. Without it, TimeSync can fail. Now proceed to the next step, where you verify sources and adjust timekeeping parameters. You now force a network time protocol sync or toggle automatic time zone to prompt a fresh update. Once done, calibrate sensor offsets and run the watch's built-in time calibration routine. This corrects drifting caused by hardware variants. Make sure to inspect the companion app, confirm account time zone, disable conflicting manual overrides, and reapply sync. You perform these steps because both local sensors and remote services can conflict. Resolving both prevents recurring desync and stabilizes displayed time. You finish by rebooting the watch and monitoring accuracy for the next 24 to 48 hours. This reveals intermittent issues. Once done, perform a factory reset only if drift persists despite calibration and sync, because resets wipe user data. Make sure to collect diagnostic logs, firmware numbers, and exact behavior before contacting support, providing that accelerates a fix. If problems continue, inspect for hardware faults like a failing oscillator and request repair or replacement under warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.